Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is your man KR coming to you live and direct out of Chicago. This is your TBC visionary that's going to be walking you through, giving you a little bit of insight on how we're going to start trading this coin, how we're going to start trading the billion coin with members that's already in our society. Now, check this out. This is a TBC USA all call. I'm calling all members from the United States that's a part of the TBC community. It's time for you guys to step up and start trading your coin and creating wealth for you and your family. I'm going to move through this very quickly so you guys can understand how it works. Then you can get back to your sponsor and get with me. Let me get you set up, or let your sponsor get you set up so you can start trading your TBC. As I say, this is a TBC USA all call. I'm going to go through a little information with you briefly. I'm not going to cover this whole thing, but I'm going to go through the much needed points that you must see in order for you to make a decision to start trading that TBC again. Now, we're on a mission over here at the society, right, to create global millionaires and then billionaires within the next 1 to 5 years. As we all know, COVID-19 has rampant. It has run rampant, and it is staggering, right? People are losing their jobs, finances are being decreased. And so we're going to use our TBC for what it was created for, guys, which was what? To be that thing, to be that asset that ends global poverty. We're going to step up now and stop talking about it and actually put it into play. If you're somebody that have a TBC wallet that's sitting there full of coin, it's time to move on from that, guys. It's time to start looking for banks, exchanges. We're going to move away from that and get into how you really trade TBC. I've been trading TBC now for the last 4 going on 5 years, and it's time that everybody learn the little strategies and techniques that I have taught to hundreds and even thousands of other people in the TBC community. It is time to get up off your coin and start making these moves and making money, okay? Right. We're on a mission to create global millionaires and, like I said, billionaires within the next 1 to 5. As we all know, the COVID pandemic, the global financial markets are staggered due to this, right? So we want to move forward past that. As we now see this as a great opportunity, TBC is a great opportunity to change lives around the world with powerful digital assets such as the billion coin and Bitcoin. The only thing you have to do is learn the steps. Once you learn the steps and duplicate those steps with others, that's it, guys. Nothing hard about what it is we're doing. In 2008, when Satoshi Nakamoto created the first publicly announced cryptocurrency Bitcoin and released it in 2009, his mission was very clear. Make sure that every household was in possession of this new world currency, Bitcoin. Now, we want to do the same thing for TBC. We want to make sure that every household is in possession of TBC and Bitcoin, because TBC was created to do what? As I said previously, end poverty. We want to make sure that everybody have these two assets, and I'm going to show you guys how to make sure they do that. Now, if you think about something within our community, within TBC right now, if we log into our Kringle back office and look at our membership stats, we have over 3 million, 4 million people in here that's desperately in need of some financial assistance. They're sitting there with the coin, but do not understand how to trade the coin because they were told that there was a bank coming, there was an exchange coming, etc., etc., etc. Well, we're still waiting on these things. I know if they said it, they're going to try to make it happen. But while we are waiting, we want to start trading this coin and accumulating wealth now. So when these things come into play that they had promised us, right? If they come, right, we're already set. We're not worried because we're already making money, and these will just be 2 or 3 more components that they bring in to help us, right? So we want to get moving now. Right now, check this out. We have all heard the saying, we grow stronger together. Our community is built upon the same foundation, which causes it to remain strong while helping everyone to flourish. We're already here. Only thing we have to do is activate, right? We want to get motivated, educated, and activated. That's what I'm here to do, to get you guys activated. So let's move on down. I want to really get this to you so you can understand how we're going to create wealth. Let's look at 6 really simple steps and how this works, okay? As in all businesses, in all ventures, specific steps to success must be planned out, as well as executed. By simply following our simple yet powerful 6-step process below, anyone serious that's already in the billion coin community can create wealth. It's nothing to it, guys. Step number 1, join the billion coin. If you're not in it already, if you're in it and you have not paid your Kringle.cash, back office fee, pay that. I believe it's around $30 to $35. Pay that. You must first become active again in order to participate. activate your account. Pay your Kringle account, come current. First thing, okay? Next thing you want to do is join our society for 25 bucks. That's all you do. Pay 25 bucks in BTC. You are a member of the TBC Code Millionaire Society. Very simple, nothing hard about what we're doing, right? Step number 3, you want to do a qualifying trade with your sponsor. You're going to send your sponsor $100 in BTC. They're going to send you $100 in TBC. That's going to show you that your wallet is active, right? On both ends, your Bitcoin and TBC wallet are active, right? And guys, this is all we're doing is activating. We're engaging again. We stopped engaging. That's why we're not making money. So you're going to do a qualifying trade with your sponsor. This will show you that your TBC wallet is active. You're going to send your sponsor 100 in Bitcoin. They're going to send you 100 in TBC to your wallet. That will show you that your wallet is active. Now you're going to share this great opportunity to create wealth with 5 other members of the community. That's it. 5 other members of the community. Share that, right? And if you ask them, hey, are you willing to complete steps 1 through 4 like I just went over with you? If they're willing to do that, you guys are in play now. The TBC is moving, Bitcoin is coming in. You're trading your TBC. Remember something. We must start the trade process. So now, let's be clear. I know a lot of people say this. Well, I already have TBC. Why would I want to accumulate more? Well, you will never want to stop accumulating TBC. That's the reason why we're here, because it gains 1 to 5% every day. You always want to accumulate TBC, right? So you're accumulating more TBC, you're trading TBC for Bitcoin. You see how the trade process, guys, if you just sit here with a TBC wallet and it does nothing, that's not a trade process. That's you sitting here with a coin that's doing nothing. But once that flow begins, the trade of TBC for Bitcoin, now we're moving. The product is moving, okay? Very simple. Step number 5, receive 100 BTC in qualifying trades from each of the 5 people that you now bring in. They're going to send you $100 in Bitcoin. You're going to receive 100 in Bitcoin. You're going to send them each 100 of your TBC. Now your TBC is flowing. You're receiving Bitcoin. And as you do that, you're going to upgrade with your sponsor, go into higher trade levels. When you go into higher trade levels, what happens with the people you brought in? They go into higher trade levels. Guys, this is super simple. Upgrade into the second level of trading by completing your second qualifying trade. Once you've accumulated some Bitcoin from trading your TBC, upgrade to your sponsor. I'm going to go over a chart to show you how to do that. So that way you'll know exactly what we're looking at. That's all it is to it, guys. This thing is super simple. Let's look at the chart. Okay, give me 1 second. Let's look at the chart because I want you guys to understand the simplicity of this. There's nothing hard about this, guys. This is super simple. Moving from the left to the right on this chart, we have the trade levels. We have 12 of them. Wow, that's a lot of TBC moving, a lot of Bitcoin coming in. Trade amounts, we have 100 all the way down to 204,000. Imagine moving 204,000 of that TBC you got for 204,000 in Bitcoin. That's what we're getting ready to do. Our tradable assets, we're looking at TBC and Bitcoin. Trade associates, let's just start with 5. Now, this is for illustration purposes only. Illustration purposes only, guys. We want you to do 5, 50, 500. We want you to take all of those TBC members that you can over there that's from the USA and Canada and get those guys trading. So this is for illustration purposes only, the number 5. Okay, trade income. We're going to look at what you're going to be making per those 5 people that's trading with you. Upgrade levels. This is going to show the different levels of trade and your investment into those trades, right? And this is going to show what's most important. Spendable Bitcoin profits. Oh yeah, you want to definitely get a hold of this right now because Bitcoin has soared up to 40, right? 40K, then dropped a little bit, but we know it's going to keep going. You want to start accumulating that Bitcoin right now using what? That TBC you've been accumulating. Let's do this thing. Moving from the left to the right. First thing you're going to do is you're going to send your sponsor 100 in Bitcoin. They're going to send you $100 in TBC. Your qualifying trade is done. Now you're on the platform. You can start earning. You're going to share this with 5 members of the TBC community. You notice I keep saying of the TBC community because you don't have to recruit anybody for this anymore. TBC has done all the recruiting. You got 3 to 4 million people sitting over there. No recruiting is done. The only thing you have to do is shoot them a message saying, hey, I figured out a way to move this coin. Come on over here with us. Let me show you. That's it, guys. That's it. No recruiting. They're already over there looking for a way to trade, and you're just going to present them with that. Okay, bring in 5. We're looking at 5. That's going to give you a total of $500 when you multiply those 5 people times the $100 qualifying trade of Bitcoin they're going to do with you. So you just earned 500 in Bitcoin. You're going to upgrade to the $200 level, the trade level over here in our society, and you're going to bank 300 in Bitcoin. See how your TBC just made you Bitcoin? Not hard at all, guys. Next, what's going to happen is your 5 great people, just like you, are going to duplicate your efforts by having 5. Go over there and grab 5 people. You tell them, go get you 5 people from TBC that's already there. When they join them, then they're going to upgrade to you for 200. That multiplication times 5 going to give you $1,000 in Bitcoin. From that, you're going to upgrade to the next level, which is 3, the trade level 3, for 400, banking 6 in Bitcoin. You see how your TBC is moving now? And what did you have to do? Invest another 100 and some bucks, man. And you already moving your TBC. Okay. Now, when your team members duplicate that effort, because duplication is the key, upgrading to you for 400, time those 5 people, that's $2,000. From the 2,000, you want to hit level 4 at 800. Right? Now understand something. Most people say, well, is this MLM? No, it is not. Right? This is MLT, multi-level trading. We're trading, right? We're bartering. We're trading one coin for the other, which is 100% legal, right? So when they upgrade for the 800, right? When you upgrade for 800, you're going to have 1,200 left. Wow, spendable Bitcoin, 1,200 left. If you continue that progression down through our 12 levels, let's look at level number 12, right? In level number 12, when you upgrade for 204,800 into level number 12, here come your 5 people duplicating that effort, paying you at 204,800. That's going to give you a total of 1,024,000. But now you have no more levels to go up into because you've accumulated all 12. The only thing you're doing now is bringing people in and what? Down here at the basic, at the beginning, they're going to start paying you. And they're going to pay you up through all of these levels. But you now, right? When you look at your spillover money that you've been accumulating in Bitcoin, you have a total of 1.6 million in Bitcoin that you did from just coming back into TBC, just paying your $35 wallet fee by joining the society for 25 and doing a qualifying trade of 100. You back in the game for less than $200 and have done a million, 0.6. Come on, guys. Wake up. Let's wake up to what's going on, guys. Wake up. This thing is easier than a lot of people think. You don't have to recruit because the people are already sitting in TBC waiting on you. They're looking for a way to do this, a legitimate way to do this. Okay? We know in the USA, we're not like Nigeria and Ghana where they are over there buying stuff in stores and things like that. We're not that fortunate yet. It may be coming, but we have not crossed that threshold yet. So what we must do is take that extra step. Start trading our coin for Bitcoin, right? You can, if you find people that want to trade vehicles, talk to them. Hey, I have a TBC, study and look at what it's about. If you want to sell me that car, whatever you got to do, guys, you can move this coin. But just sitting on it, looking at a wallet, that is definitely not what the TBC administrator created this to be. So this over here, what we're doing over here at the TBC Code Millionaire Society is teaching you how to trade the coin, giving you a platform. Let's take a look at the platform. Very important that you see this. Now, we're over here on our trading platform, right? Let me log in. Bam, guys, we have a back office, we have membership, we have everything. Everything that we need is here. Look at this. This is our platform, right? And if you take a look at something, this is where you register at. When you get registered, you're going to complete the steps on your dashboard. Verify your email, set up your payment processors, set up your TBC wallet, unlock the platform. That's the $25, right? You're going to upgrade into your levels. I'm in level 12. You're going to go into level number 1, right? Imagine that, guys. Imagine now you have a platform that you can trade on. Guys, that's amazing, right? We have our promotional where you can go into promote, grab your link. See right here, this is your link, that's mine. We have banner images, social images, videos, emails, Facebook. You can purchase emails, right? You can go email list, grow your email list with this. This is something that's hot. This is our own back office. Amazing. So, I want to welcome you guys in advance to the society. get back with your sponsor and let's make it happen.